Meaning of faze.
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 Faze. The word faze means to disturb, unsettle, or disconcert someone. When something phases a person, it causes them to feel uncomfortable, uncertain, or insecure. This can happen in a variety of situations, such as when facing a difficult challenge, experiencing a sudden change, or confronting an unexpected obstacle. The result of being phased can range from feeling mildly uncomfortable to being completely overwhelmed. Overall, phase is a verb that describes the impact that external factors can have on a person's emotional state and their ability to cope with difficult circumstances.